So I was at a college event recently, and it was mostly students that are in an entrepreneurship program, and they asked me what financial steps should they do to get ready to start a business. And obviously, I thought that was a very wise question, actually, because a lot of people kind of find themselves in business with themselves. They don't necessarily have drawn out plans. It just kind of happens for various reasons. And obviously, in a academic setting, you want to have your niche. You want to have find something that you're good at. Most importantly, you're solving someone's problem with your service or product. But to get ready financially, that's a very advanced question, because I think a lot of people try to start a business, but they're already kind of bootstrapped in other things, and maybe they're not starting from the most strong financial position. So, for example, when I started this company 25 years ago, I had already started a career as an airline pilot, and I dropped my trips and flew trips that allowed me to be here during the daytime. And then eventually I was able to walk away from the dual career and focus just on this career. Sometimes you got to deliver pizzas while you're coding your new software, or you gotta maybe do something like Lyft or Uber driving or something to generate some extra income while you're focused on your business. At some point, though, the business needs you 100%, and you're going to have to transition in order to do that. But financially, it goes back to financial planning, because we always tell people, don't get in so much debt you don't have options. So make sure that you can live off of a small amount of money, that you have family that has bought into your vision and what you're trying to accomplish, because you're going to need support. Maybe not necessarily financially support, but just moral support, that, hey, I'm going to forego the new car. I'm going to forego other things that are, kind of optional in our life, but are nice, in order to achieve my long-term goal, or even medium-term goal. Dave Ramsey has this saying, live like no one else today so you can live like no one else tomorrow. And so I encourage anyone who still wants to start a business. It's a fun journey, but just make sure you're doing it from a position of strength, where you have low debt, low payments to live, and then go focus on building your dream. When you look fast forward, like maybe 3, 5, 10 years down the road, if you're doing it right, you'll be well rewarded, and there's fun things that'll come along the way. Good luck.